Hi everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners along with my co-founder Mike Arnold. It is August 23rd. This is a cryptocurrency educational update covering Ripple. Just a quick Ripple update. But before I turn it over to Mike, we also did an update on Tesla, which will show you Tesla, the stock, the car, the automaker. So TSLA. If you're just into cryptocurrencies, fine. But check out the Tesla video. It's a quick one. It's less than 5 minutes long. And you'll see how we do the same analysis in traditional markets that we do in cryptos. Might be interesting for you to see because there's a trade around a core position in Tesla where we had a long and then we had a shorter duration short. So we took the shorter duration short by getting out of the long and then got back into the long at the profit of the short. So it's a little complicated, I know, but it's a concept you should start to get your minds around. So check that out. In the meantime, here is Mike with his Ripple analysis. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So quick, Ripple update. Ripple update. We've had this explosive move higher. Hit a lot of key levels. Got overextended from the rotation zone. This is on the 240-minute chart. Everyone to take away from this that when we get extended from the rotation zone, we're not saying it has to stop, but there's likelihood that you should take some off the table. You can always keep some on. When we zoom down to the lower time frame chart, we'll show you how we took advantage of this. But when it gets really far away, especially from the 8 and the 21 moving averages, be very, very careful. These things either consolidate or retrace. This one retraced. Let me switch to the 1 hour chart and show you how we dealt with it. So maybe you can incorporate some of this into your trading strategies. So here's our 1 hour chart. We've come back where the blue lines are some of our significant levels. So we're also between the 37.5 and 50% GAN level. We're below the rotation zone on the 1 hour. We're still within the rotation zone on the 4 hour. So what happened? We're taking some at some other key levels we've called out on prior videos. We took some off. We then went into this nice horizontal consolidation pattern. So we mapped out if it broke higher what we were going to do, our next profit objectives and our add to. So we'd add some as it broke higher and then take some more off as it hit the next levels. Or if it broke down below this consolidation, this horizontal channel, we're removing, taking more profits from earlier adds, and we're going to wait for the bigger pullback because now the rotation zone on the 1 hour chart couldn't hold it up. So we're expecting the bigger pullback into the rotation on the 4 hour chart. Let me now switch back to the 4 hour chart. So here's the 4 hour chart again. You can see with the significant levels on it, the 50% retracement would be 0.2237. So anywhere in here, we're looking for a turn back up, and we'll watch for it on the 1 hour chart. Now remember, if it's still below the rotation zone on the 1 hour chart, it's either a very aggressive entry or you want to get it above the rotation zone on the 1 hour chart. But anywhere in here, we could get a double bottom. We could get another horizontal consolidation pattern. Okay, and we could watch for that. But we are being very patient, not aggressively adding. We're going to wait for it to prove it can find stability at some of these levels, and then we'll be looking to add on a rotation back up. That's the key way. And this doesn't just happen in Ripple. It's been happening over and over again in the different cryptos. You have these explosive moves, then they consolidate, and either you have price coming up to push it higher, the 8 EMA coming up to push it higher, or in this case, the 8 did not come up. It broke down through that horizontal channel, and then it's going to do the bigger pullback into the rotation zone. And this is where we are very, very patient. That's what we have for you tonight. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike. And thank you guys for getting us to 500 subscribers on the cryptocurrency stuff as well as the traditional market stuff. So if you like what we're doing and you have not subscribed yet, please do. Help get us to 1,000 now. We'd really appreciate that. You'd be helping out the channel. We put out a lot of videos, so we would just like to see this thing continue to grow. Cheers, everyone. Again, thanks, Mike, for the analysis, and we'll talk to you in the next Path Chat.